What the fuck did you just say? Reese's Pieces? Reese's Pieces? You sound fucking stupid right now. It's Reese's Pieces. The brand is Reese's. Reese's Cups. Reese's Pieces. Fuck you. Get her, Lucy. I will annihilate you. See that? That's gonna be the last thing you see, fucker. I will wipe you from the face of this earth.
All right, come on.
Wow, it's so... Oh my God. Oh, Christ.
Yeah, true level, bitch.
Morty, come on, we're leaving for school.
Everything's crooked. Reality is poison. I want to go back.
Y'all want some cookies?
I'm just in the bathroom chilling and I look over and there's a cat in my wall. And I'm really confused on how that happened. But I'm just gonna ignore the fact.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
It is Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Holy fuck, boys, don't show your mom this video. She'll be showing up my front door asking to ride bitch, and I know she gets handsy when she's on the back.
Our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ.
Welcome. This is Alexa. What is the purpose of the visit?
Jesus Christ.
I can inform the resident. What is your name?
God, dude. I said Jesus Christ. Right now. Right now.
What is your message to the